your life. Dr. Gaonkar has just inspired you all and has given you such lovely words of inspiration. I would only say that you need to think positive. And when you think positive, you got to think that you are going to do something for this little state of yours, Goa. Some of you will go out of Goa for better opportunities, to explore, to learn more, to be more innovative, could be to learn as a scientist or to work for a multinational company.
Wanting to lay your hands on whatever is happening in every event that will take place through the day and tomorrow, and just let out the steam that is being gathered in each one of you.